It's August 24th. This is day 51 now.
Jesus Christ.
I know, I've been doing this for 51 days.
I'm proud of you.
Me too. Haley's back with me. She's spending the night tonight. Hopefully no yelling at me and no cops.
I make no promises.
Fair
So
enough.
there'll probably be yelling, but probably not be cops. Be nice.
So we just got back to the house and it's actually kind of late, so we've got to figure out what we're doing.
I'm gonna squeeze the life out of this cat.
She's gonna murder a cat.
No. It just won't leave me alone. It wants to be loved.
I know, they act like we abuse them.
No, they just act like they get no attention. Jesus.
That's just how they are.
It's because it's a female.
She said it, not me. Yeah, I'm vlogging now.
Oh.
Like, that's the point of a vlog, is like to record what you do.
I understand that, but it flashed, so I thought you were just taking a picture.
Yeah, I don't know why it does that. Anyway, we are downtown, walking around the big spring park, playing some Pokemon Go, and just randomly bullshitting. It's one of the unfortunate things about Huntsville. There's not much to do in the middle of the night. Especially when it was like, the plan you had was canceled, so now you're just making it up as you go.
I always make it up as I go along. We not learn anything from Johnny Depp, the Pirates of the Caribbean?
Shout out to Johnny Depp. But yeah, so we're down here walking around, taking some photography and just goofing off. So
Fucking shut up, man.
I'm gonna listen to her now. So we're still downtown. We've made it over to the Bud Kramer Park. We sat on the swings for a minute, and she's kind of down.
My butt hurts.
Evidently, sitting on the swings for a while, she decided to choose the wrong way to sit, so her butt hurts.
The middle of my thighs to my butt.
And you heard that bit, so. We got a Star U though. We evolved Starmie for a Star U. So it's been productive for Pokemon. Let me go check on her and her butt and make sure she's okay. So I just blinded myself. But we're back home now. Had a nice little hike, played some Pokemon.
There's a ghost.
Does your butt still hurt?
No, not anymore. Walking helped.
So her butt doesn't hurt anymore. We're back home though. We're probably gonna watch some Netflix or something.
We're gonna do something.
Or
Play a
something.
game. Watch Netflix. Eventually sleep, maybe.
Something to do with like the computer setup probably, and then sleep. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this for the night. We will see y'all tomorrow.